Dear viewers, today we see the most beautiful village in Bangladesh. It is situated in Naranganj district and Bulabo Union. This is Abdatek. It is called Abdatek. It is a village. It is a beautiful village. We see there are many hyacinth here and like river. There are many sort of waters here. It's a wonderful place. We see a small boat here. It's called in Bangla that it is called kosha. There are many farmers are there. Okay. They have collected some grass. It's a lot of grass for their cattle and others. Especially they are totally farming in this village. It's one sort of wonderful systematic ideas, and they collect many waters and they collect some waters and they washes their grass and they collect it, and then someone will take those grass in their head and they will go to their home and they give these grasses for their cattle. Okay.